All right, it's the holiday season, so we are going to celebrate by creating some new drawings. On this occasion, we're going to start with something simple, seemingly very simple, though we're going to make it a little extra detailed. Will be a snowman. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to start out by marking the space that I want the snowman to fit in, including the circles. So biggest one at the bottom, then the body, then the small for the head at the top. And there's a little space so I can fit a hat. So just a basic square and a line. Now I'm putting in some circles for the coal and the lines for the scarf. More coal. Carrot for the nose. And we'll throw in some branches for arms. So he's got them sticking up in the air. Like, yay! And we'll just make them a little bit more interesting than just lines. And snow all around. I'll just bump it up a little bit. Okay, now I'm moving on to the marker. So I want this to be all kind of cleaned up. No more sketchy lines. And I want to fill in some stuff black. And then sometimes when I move on to this part, I'll add a couple little extra things, like around the branches for the arms. You can see I've got the lines there, so you can tell it's sticking into the snow. And that's about it. So the last little step is just let that dry for a second so you don't get any smudges, and then erase it. And I use Sharpie on this part, but you can use pen, marker, and whatever you like. And ta-da, you have a snowman. All right, come back again soon.